Welcome back, Marine Squad. So today's probably going to be a short video. So today I got this one blind bag. I was getting 2 or 3, but then I just like, no, I'm getting other stuff too. I'm getting some ice cream and some candy. Here's a candy. So I was like, maybe I should take one, which I should have thought that I made this for a YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see, where do I open this at? Yeah. So I took it off now with some scissors, and let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. It's one that I haven't got. He's so tall. Wow. Do you see this, guys? He's like really tall. I'm going to show you like my normal ponies like one time. And then I'm going to show you him because he's really tall. Wow. I like him. Wow. His legs move, which I really like that. Wow. Let's see. Mr. Carrot Cake. So yes, he's a carrot cake. So it shows a picture of that there, that house, and then him. Hasbro. So he bakes sweet treats for friends. LL. Oh, it's in Spanish too. Okay. Oh, it's in different languages. It's like él prepara muitas gulsemias para os amigos. That one's not in Spanish. That's for sure. No. No, that's not in Spanish. That's in a different language. And Spanish and English. Oh, that's... Ooh, you know which one I really want? I want Baby Flurry Heart. I want Gems Shine Guard. I want Bright Smile, Honey Sparkle, Princess Cadence. I kind of don't want Twilight Sparkle because I have a lot of her. And I have Mrs. Dazzle Cake already. I have a lot of them. I have a lot of My Little Ponies. But yeah, that's really cute. I really like him. Like, wow, he's very tall. Like, and this is like this size. Well, I can't show you that. Let's see. What can I show you? Oh. So my grandma uses this, and he's like tall. Oh, I can show you something else. You better see this. Oh. Look, he's very tall. I'm in my grandmother. But yeah, tell me which ones you would like. So, the top ones are sparkly. It's like not focusing. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Tell me which one you would want. That's cool. I love it. But yeah, that was the video for today. Bye, guys.